lignin, we found a very effective feedstock to partially replace binders in performance materials. Lignin is coming from woody biomass like trees, grasses, but also straw. Lignin is a natural binder. In this case we make the binder by blending the lignin and the bitumen or with other bio-based components, and this binder is used in asphalt, in pavement and also for roofing. Additionally, we also use this lignin in a phenol formaldehyde resin in these panels, and these panels are high performance panels for tabletops and for furniture, and this binder can be replaced by 50% of lignin with the same quality, with the same performance, and we are now also developing a 100% alternative to this binder to get a more sustainable product in the near future.
At the NIM R&D Center, we collaborated with Wageningen University Research to replace part of the fossil-based phenols within our resins with refined lignin, a natural adhesive. We were looking for a sustainable choice without compromising the performance of the product. The result is this innovative product for worktop surfaces that incorporates up to 85% bio-based carbon content.
Here you can see an asphalt road where we can also store the biogenic carbon which is present in the lignin for a long time in a material. And that helps to get a much more sustainable and future sound product. And we are just at the beginning. There are many more possibilities to use lignin and other bio-based components in construction and building materials. At the moment we see that the products we make from those bio-based components have an equal performance as for the fossil-derived products. But we hope that in the future we can even outperform those products by using better and high-quality bio-based components.